Do you think you're gaining sugar when you're eating fries? No? How about in buns? Are you gaining fats? Or in burger? Are you gaining fats? Who says yes? Raise your hand. No? Okay. So how about in spaghetti? Are you gaining sugar or fats? Who says fats? Okay. How about sugar? Or gaining sugar? No. In chicken, are you gaining protein? Do you know protein? Okay. Do you think if you eat chicken, you have strong muscles? You're going to gain strong muscles? Okay. Raise your hand if you agree with that. Okay. So what about our next? Samgyeopsal. No samgyeopsal. Yeah. So all of us know samgyeopsal already. It is common. It is trendy. So what do you think are we going to gain while eating this or when we eat this kind of food? Yes. Protein. Okay, very good. Protein. So later on we're going to know why protein. Okay. So we have here fruits. What do you think are we going to gain in eating fruits? Sugar? Are we going to gain sugar in eating fruits? Who says yes? Raise your hands. No? Okay, later on we're going to know that. Vegetables. Are we going to gain the growth in our muscle? Okay? In our bones. Really? Okay. So today we're going to tackle about biomolecules. Okay? So what do you think is the connection of biomolecules in foods that we flash there in our television? What do you mean by bio? Do you have any idea what is bio? Yes. Diaz. Okay, very good. Diaz. Bio means life. In biology, we study living things. Okay? Why we study living things? Because bio means life. So what do you mean by molecules? Do you have any idea about molecules? Nalimutan na. So molecules is two combinations of atoms. Okay, take note of that. So, what is biomolecules? So, biomolecules is a macromolecule. So, ito po yan. So, nasa katawan or it is inside our body. So, how come that biomolecule is inside our body? Let's know about biomolecules. So, biomolecules, any molecule that are produced by a living organism, including large fraction molecules such as protein, polysaccharide, lipids, and nucleic acid. So we're going to discuss about 4 types of biomolecules. First, we have carbohydrates. Are you familiar with carbohydrates? Okay. So let us have first carbohydrates. So previously, in the pictures, what do you think is carbohydrates or what food do you think is present in the carbohydrate is present in the food? What food do you think is that? Yes, Matilda. Okay? Okay, donut. Why do you think that donut has carbohydrates? Stand, listen. Okay, very good. So let us have carbohydrates. So carbohydrates is most common biomolecules kasi nga we are all familiar with carbohydrates. So the primary energy source of our body. Why? Because okay, the building block or monomer, when we say building block, it's like we are building. Okay. Yeah. So it's like we're building a house. When we are building a house, what do we need for us to build a house? Glass. What else? Cement. So in building a biomolecules or a sugar which is called fructose. Okay? And then next we have galactose. Galactose, it is found in milk with glucose. Okay? Together with glucose. And we have second. Second, we have disaccharides, two sugars. Okay, double sugars. We have C12H22O11, that is the formula for disaccharides. So we have example of disaccharide which is maltose because it has two sugars which is galactose plus galactose. Ano po, madalas makasin o makita o marinig itong maltose sa beers. Okay? So we typically found maltose in beer. Okay? Lactose, milk sugar, it is a combination of glucose and galactose. So lactose, and what is the example of lactose in products like milk? Any guess? Milk, acid or